everybody, it's me Vicky. So today I'm going to take this ordinary light switch and add glitter to it because it's just plain. So my bedroom is red and black and white, so I'm going to make this light switch red and black. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is how it turned out, and now I have to let it dry for a couple of hours, and from there I will show you guys what I do to seal it so that the glitter stays on as opposed to just sprinkling off. Okay, and I also made some silver ones as well. This one is going to go in my bathroom, silver. Okay, and this one is for my bedroom because my bedroom is red and black and white. I didn't add white, but I should have, but that's okay. Alright, so stay tuned to see how I seal these glitters, okay? there you have it, guys. This is what it looks like. It's all blinged out. This is what I use. I'm using plain Rapid Dry to seal it. Okay? But there's other stuff that you can use specifically for projects like this, but this works as well. Okay? Bring my adding glitter to your outlets. This is how you add glitter and make it look a lot better as opposed to that plain look. So that's how I did it, guys. You saw how simple that is. And this one here is really cute. It matches my room because my room is red, white, and black.